dance on the ocean's floor. Silent whispers through the hull's core. The compass spins, no north to find. A phantom song in the wailing wind. Beneath the waves, the secrets sleep, where the light can reach the hull's core. The sailors cry, a ghost to find. Beneath the waves, we search in vain. Swings with the ship's slow groan. The sea's a graveyard of the unknown. Cold heads claw at the edge of the night. The stars above offer no respite. Was it the storm or a siren's call? A broken mast or a doomed squall? The depths don't care, they swallow whole. A chilling grip on a fragile soul. Beneath the waves, the secrets sleep, where the light can reach the hull's core. The sailors cry, a ghost to find. Beneath the waves, we search in vain. Ocean's mouth, a fading echo from north to south. The story ends where the silence stays.